I'm going to show you how to prepare an apple if you want to use it in products like a crumble or a pie. So what you'll need is a chopping board, something to put your peelings onto, a sharp knife and a peeler. You're going to start by peeling the apple. Now I'm using eating apples, which are naturally quite sweet and therefore need very little extra sugar in them, which is a little bit healthier. If you're using a Bramley apple, when you cook those, you'll need to have some sugar. So you can see that I've peeled off most of the skin. So I'm going to put my paper to one side, and then I'm going to get my sharp knife, and I'm going to cut down the centre of the apple, like so. And then I'm going to turn it over and cut it down again. And then I'm simply going to cut out a triangle shaped piece. Out of each one. They then go in with my rubbish into my peelings, and I've then got my apple left. Okay, now I'm actually going to cut mine into chunks. So because mine's quite small, I'm going to form the ridge like that, and then the claw, and cut it across into small pieces. So same again, down the centre into pieces. Sometimes though, when you're doing apples, you actually need them in slices. So you could actually do them like that. The chunks are easier when you actually come to eat the apple. Okay, so you can actually do them like that if you prefer. I'm just going to finish this one off in chunks. So you do that with all of the apples. You then pop them into, if you want to pre-cook them, either into a saucepan with a little bit of water, or you can actually do this in the microwave. I'll just have a mixture in mine, it doesn't matter. So I would of course do it with more apples. Add in, if you're going to use the microwave, add into it about a tablespoon of water, cover it with some cling film and make a little hole, and then pop it in the microwave for 1 or 2 minutes if you want to pre-cook. If you want to use it raw like that and put your crumble mixture on top, you wouldn't need the water. You've just got to decide if you're going to need any sugar or whether you'd like to add some cinnamon. So that is preparing the apple for something like crumble.